Hello guys, it's Jeffrey here. Part 4 of making a chocolate. Last time we actually made, we're mixing all these up. The fork's on. So we melted up all the love hearts. Like it's all watery underneath. Wait, I'll be right back. Tell me if anything happens in the comments, guys. Let me know if you want. You'll be official progress. You'll be able to go for it. Okay, I'm back. Nothing probably happened because the house isn't really hot. So I've got some candy floss. So it's pretty hard, but yeah. When it melts, it won't. The bottom's pretty like soft. So take off a bit of the bottom. Then you're gonna want to take your fork out. And you're going to want to put it back in the microwave. If you want, you can add in more than I added. I just added a bit to see what would happen. Now we're basically like doing experiments. What is happening? What's happening? I think it'll just melt. Yeah, it looks like it's just gonna melt. Or it's gonna stay there. It might stay like that. Oh my god, it's bubbling. It's like bubbling. Oh my god, it's like a volcano in there. No, it's gonna come out. It's coming out of the side. 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 Okay, it's going to start bubbling up again. Yep, it bubbles up so damn quick. Look at that. It's a massive mess. You bubbling. Okay, I really like that, but I hate the sound. Tilly's chillaxing here with me. I don't know why, but Tilly's obsessed with me. So what we're going to want to do is I'm going to grab some more and just put it back in. So I actually think this is turning into an experiment video. Adding candy floss to it now. I just added some in. Okay, so it's gonna start bubbling up again. I know it will. I know it will. Yep, it's bubbling up. Stop bubbling. I hate the way it bubbles. Okay, wait for it to calm down. Oh my god. It's bubbling up so much. I wonder what will happen. And then it like continues at the time. Before it overflows. It's overflowing so much. Ooh, okay. It bubbles up so quick. We got to 6 though. Wait for it to calm and do it again. 4, 3, 2, 1. Ha! Got it. Okay. This time we're gonna actually take it out. Oh, Tilly! Wow. Tilly and her shenanigans. So we're gonna take it out. We're actually going to fix up the towel first. I like fixing up towels. Don't leave me alone. If you like fixing towels up, definitely leave a like. But there's like, it's all like, I think we've like, got the towel stuck to it. That's how much it's been overflowing. This one's getting super sticky. Let's try it out now. Yeah, actually tastes good. But we don't want to taste it. Okay, we've still got like chunks in it. So you're just going to want to mix it up. Make it turn all weird. It looks like coffee. Ugh. I think that water might have ruined it. But the candy floss, I think I'm just going to add in the rest. I'm going to break it into chunks. You know what? I'm just going to take my beautiful fork out. Why did we choose a fork? Why did I choose a fork? I'm going to use some candy floss. I hate the way it's called candy floss. Right. I hate the way it's called candy floss. It should be called sweet floss. Because it's sweet, but also there's no, but candy isn't a word around here. Whoa, there's like this part that's like frozen. So what we're gonna do is I put the rest all in there. So I'm gonna close it. Turn it on for 30 seconds. Getting ready for the bubble up all. All of it to bubble up. What is up with you staying next to me, Tilly? Oh god, it's bubbling, it's bubbling. Oh, why it bubbles up with the candy floss? Why does the candy floss like make it bubble? That's my question. So that like massive part still hasn't like broken down yet. Oh, I wasn't watching. No, it's drifting off the other edge. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, it's very easy for me to see through in real life, but it's really hard to see through. You know what? I'm going to grab the fork. I'm very hungry. I'm going to taste this off the fork. Okay, so maybe if we add some stuff from in here. This is really sticky. I'm gonna add this in. So just grab a snack because I'm pretty hungry. Bubbling, it's bubbling. Look. Ha! Gotcha. Okay, it's starting to actually look bubble up. One, zero. Okay. That's us done. Okay, we're gonna like mix it up and then that's us like done. Because I need to go charge my like phone. So yeah. I need to charge my phone very badly, so yeah. Because if it's not charged, no bits. So yeah. I took it up. Ooh. There's still some goddamn lost left. So take the sticky fork. So now gonna like we want no chunky bits. This is a no chunky bit zone. We want it all